there's a discussion happening between Mirza Masroor and the congregation in front of him, and he's surrounded by the murabbis and the senior people as well. And the question in discussion is about the children which were born between Joseph the carpenter and Maryam or Mary after the birth of Jesus. Now Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has clearly written, he said that after this birth of Jesus, they had intercourse, and these were the children born of the other intercourse. And now,
in spite of the fact that the marriage was illegitimate, illegitimate according to the law of Moses.
Yeah, there was another caveat, obviously.
We discussed this last.
Now the thing is, I was surprised. Number one, Mirza Masroor did not know that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has written about this marriage, while Mirza has written extensively on this one. Number one.
So the son didn't read the father's writing.
Exactly. Now the second thing is,
no, he's not only the son. He's not only a great grandson.
The Khalifa.
He is the caliph. He is supposed to be the face of the religion.
No, of course. Yeah,
and he doesn't know basic things like this.
On which Mirza was writing extensively. A second interesting thing is, Declan, in that gathering, obviously just imagine the missionaries or the knowledgeable people around Mirza Masroor to cover up if he makes a mistake should be very highly qualified, right? None of them knew this.
So this is
very embarrassing, isn't it?
Why would I be excited if I'm given an opportunity to sit and ask him a question?
Absolutely.